Welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on this beautiful morning, we have Marcia on the mix. And she's jokingly speaking about her living in the storage and in her car. Now, you know Marcia, she's always vibes and fun, and she bring across her message in different ways. And you guys would like to go and catch the video and hear what she has to say. And guys, remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, have yourselves a wonderful day. And I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies out there and my supporters, my friends, my family, I wish you a wonderful day. Now, you have to take in consideration that having fun on a daily or even sometimes is very important. It allows you to relax and to just sit and mesmerize on things of the past or even things that's in the present. Now, just being able to laugh, you know, it frees you. Not only that, but it makes your face a bit, keeps your face younger as well. The more you laugh, the more muscles you're able to use. You use your muscles, and your muscles encourage your face to look younger. So smile a lot, laugh when you can. And even when it's things that people say that are bad against you, just take it and turn it into something of a joke. Laugh at it, because sometimes that's all we need. And remember, guys, to live good, work good, and love, laugh. Because at the end of the day, you only have you, and you are the one that makes you happy. Have a wonderful day, and go support Marcia. She's selling her sheets. Go get your sheets from her. Have a great one.
Want little money too. You can't come over here I try to get my little dividend. See, I remember saying no. Me have to sleep in a car, no. I remember saying me have to run AC all night. Cause hot. You want me suffocated. And plus me have to rent one little bathroom for bed and wash up myself. Uh-huh. So you want to come over here and take a little dividend from me. That not right. Oh, but then I hold you bright so. Then I hold you bright so. One have to come over here and take a little change I'm supposed to get. Huh? Me not understand. You have to go try and walk your page yourself. I walk for me. Uh-huh. So that is it. Me not understand what I go on, boy. Huh? Then what a wicked somebody is. After me no come up here and walk your page, you know, forget me. Remember, you know, I me care me living, you know. Me care me living. You understand me? I may tell us me broke. Not even a dollar you can't catch for me. Eh? Good afternoon, security team. What go on? Mm-hmm. Yes, me dear, security team. You see what's her name? Chance come over here ask for money. And I mean want money. I'm living in my car now. Uh-huh. Remember say me living in my car. Yes. Boy, I don't get no sleep last night. Don't me look like sleepless? I don't get no sleep. Last night was a tough night. Uh-huh. And the storage too. Well, the storage in too hot. So them run me out of the storage. Yes, understood. Yes, you're damn right. No, me not in the storage because they run me out of the storage. Because I'm in care, my boyfriend come in there and them said no sex must take place in the storage. So because I care, my boyfriend, he didn't kick me out. Yes, me didn't kick me out. Then here one piece of hollering I go on the storage there. So then kick me out. Then kick me out. Yes, I come and get no sheets. The sheets are very lovely and nice. I have all size available. I have all size. Right now, me have king and queen. Yes, and yes, me dear tired and keep me at the storage. One piece of hollering so people them not complain. Me not even know so people not come. And me don't know what people are doing storage. Me was a man in there. Me say a 5:30 name and me take a little piece, you know. And the damn duppy then go talk. Yes. Me here want the duppy out there knock on the sitting. So that's why me not even go back there. One piece of knock in the damn duppy I put on. God. I want that here go on within there. Me say, but wait here, I would have thought me come look, I'm just nobody. Me just me me just run right out. Me say, hey, me a sleep in the bike here. Storage day is done with. Storage storage day done with. Me say they end up in the year city I go and I don't have done. Me say, me not go back there. Nah tell her that. Me not going back right there. So remember to come and get no sheets. Remember to come. Come people give me a little thumbs up. You know, if you give me a little thumbs up and give me a little super chat, like a tire can give me super chat. Cause you don't want me out of the storage, baba. And the car, hot time. Me say, you know, Dopey love me half already down there. Yes, me dear. Dopey love me half. From the last time me talk to him and tell him, say, me not run from him, afraid of him, no bother me no more. No. Yes, me dear, no bother me turn up to him and say, me not run from you. And turn up to him, I say, me know you did it. Yes, me there. The only time me bother me there, me did there banging in the storage, papa. Me sleep down there about 3 nights. And that is it. Yes, so come and get no sheet so me can come to the storage. Yes, you get it's on sale, said we're $4 for $100. I take Cash App and I take Zelle. Depends on the circumstances. Me can't take Western Union like that all the time. Me don't want people name to get messed up. Because them already mess up my name already and me can't collect the Western Union MoneyGram because of that. And members say me can't mess up the rest of people them name too. So you have to go find some of the solutions. So if you send the money to me, you can't go Walmart to Walmart. Marcia Campbell. Any Walmart to Walmart. If you don't, I rather want to send it to Walmart to Walmart. Walmart to Walmart, you can people send me money to Walmart and me get the money. So if you live in the United States, I want to don't have Cash App, I want to don't have Zelle, I want to have access to Walmart. Just go in a Walmart and send it to Marcia Campbell. That's all. Shop with new Amazon Hero. Yeah. So if I don't have access, if I want to live in America, I rather want to go to Walmart. Walmart to Walmart and to Marcia Campbell. Queens, New York or Hartford, Connecticut. You just call me and ask me where I am. If me down New York City, you say New York City. If I Walmart, if I Connecticut, whatever it is, just send it to Walmart I'm gonna go collect it. If you don't have Zelle and Cash App. Just send it to Walmart. I go there and collect it. Walmart do the same thing like Western Union. And at least it coming. At least the name now if mess up. Western Union I sit them a joke. Them blocked me from 4 years ago and up until now they don't want to block me yet. And up until now. And remember members only. Members only. It is summertime. Members only. It is summertime. A lot of you guys don't go anywhere. You understand? And there's a lot of things that is happening throughout the summer. Only don't go nowhere in the winter. And only don't go because I don't feel like say I'm afraid. I'm afraid to go out by yourself. You have to prove up on yourself and go out by yourself. Well, all right then. On the 15th and the 15th of July, I am going on Jimmy Starkey 70s boat ride. Any members only out there want to join me, let's go on that boat ride and have some fun. I have 3 people already who is joining me. The tickets are pre-sold right now for $70. Yeah, you understand? If you want somewhere to go and dress up like the 70s, in your barefoot pants, and you look a pretty color frock and your big heel boot, and your barefoot pants and your afro here, or you have your something and tie the headband around your head. This is fun. You have it all the time. So if you guys want to come out and hang out, let us go and have some fun. The members only them. So I'm just telling about the boat ride there. And then one next one coming up August the 4th, that's Ricky Genius All White, leaving from in Manhattan. That the one they dress up one. You understand? You can't go that one there too. So on the 15th, so come on and let's go. And come on, and remember, so them have food available. So you don't have to name the dinner, they have dinner. They give everybody dinner. This has been going on for years. So if you this is something you can't cost no whole heap of money. Thank you very much. This don't cost no whole heap of money for shop. Because when it comes to barefoot, when it comes to dressing like the 70s, it's very cheap. You can go to how you pronounce the name? Where you pronounce the name? Firez. or Frizzy, or Frizzy, or whatever. I say you pronounce the name. Thank you very much. I don't know if I say you pronounce the name, but thank you very much. What you give me? Yes. Somebody give me something a while ago. A flowers you give me. And you have Amazon sell them clothes. You can go in some Swift shop and buy some little old fashioned clothes. Even Shein. Me see them on Shein as sell. Mine will I wanna show up in the same something. Me dress up nice today. No, so I pick up some old frock. Me say me have them a thing a long time in a child. Dress up. No, sir. Them a little piece of them a regular piece of old frock, man. Me have something, me have one orange sexy dress. Tall come downs, cut to fit. But me couldn't but when me look, through me have on a drawers underneath it. Me say, you know what? Me not bother wear it. It ain't kinda like a see-through. And it show up too much. Yes, me dear. So me just take it off. Me not put on one cream tights underneath it and me say it a show. And me white brassiere a show. Yes, me dear. So me no bother. Me find the brassiere them on Amazon for $5 less. When Macy's have you sell them for. They are so comfortable. You understand? Very, very comfortable. Because me I say them are girls they want to push up. So anybody want to go on the boat ride? Wanna get in touch with me, I'm telling you how to get in touch with him. All the flyers up on the page, see and call him and get a ticket before the ticket go up higher. I don't know that. I wanna go get no liquor, wanna go pan Shein guard, I wanna barefoot clothes, I wanna same thing. I know so that is a easy dressing. Getting a little afro wig, I wanna big hairstyle and a big hoop ears ring them, I know whatever I want to do. Wanna can dress like a sequins dress too. You know, look a sequins dress, look a swing dress, them gaspy dresses, them. You can't dress anyhow you want to dress. You just is dressing like the 70s. So you can't go in anything. It's like a costume. So you dress up in anything. Yes, my dear. So if you don't want somewhere to go, wanna go. So come people and get in a little sheets them. Me hungry, I need something to eat. Me not eat from morning. My belly a burn out. My belly is burning out. That no good. We need to stop it. Me and I'm too late. I'm eating too late. Yes. So anybody wants to go, yes, wanna come. As Shein me buy my birthday dress and my dress that I wear to my daughter graduation. Me not tell a lie. I have never shopped on Shein before with pretty clothes, with any clothes. Me try them the last time. I want me to buy one t-shirt. I want me to buy one t-shirt. I want me to buy there something. And I say, let me try it. And their quality is good. So I'm gonna go. Oh, I want bodysuit tights. Me not even know where they. When it come, me think say I want something when I see it through. When the something come, because upon the magly look like see a thick material. Me rotted. When the something come, a some breed a see through clothes. When I put it on in the house, nothing sexy so. Me rock stone. Me say backside. Me say the way something sexy make me want tempted to wear it out on the road. And how it make? It make with the leg see through like. And when you go for a body part, they make a body part where it's translucent where you don't have to wear nothing. Me say but wait yeah. But the only thing I like it was a long sleeve catch a yes so. And it go up to the neck and pin up. Me never like that. With that button come down in the front. Me say the rat it's something sexy that me show me gut. Me say but wait yeah. Not a belly in it. Me say little more sissing thing tempt me. If you go up on the road looking dressing like that. Me say So me go up on it go look one bodysuit. With a little frizzle. Come at the sides them. You know say them are wear. Yeah, me go look one of them there. Marcia, love wear bodysuit. I mean on the business in a bodysuit. So me go up on it. Me see some nice things but me drop in one box. So when me feel like I go. But hello. The store name Two More, whatever they want to call it, True More, whatever they want to call it. Hey, it a give Shein a run for the money. Me not ask you. Yes, me dear, it a give Amazon, I will call Two More, or Two More, whatever you want to call. I will call. That the website there. I give Shein and Amazon a run for the money. They have some thing depend there where me never seen in my life before. Some breeder style and fashion. But me I would advise you know if you're not shop on it. Where called Timo, as I pronounce? Timo, as I pronounce? Yeah, and me no know how long them take. Anybody shop with them? Anybody shop with them and see equality? Equality, if equality is good. Me not ask you no. Yes, me dear. I see some breeder outfit up there. Them the outfit, they cheap. $11, $12, $14. No, sir. Them the sitting there. Me sorry. Me sorry for me see that them the big department store. Which is it? Me like them the outfit them. Hello. Una must indulge in them store there now. Cause them store they make una want go to church. Or sometimes we have to cut no ear past them stores there because them have some breeder clothes for fat woman and skinny woman. And them are people then come up with them clothes for deter from not go seeking the Lord. So they must be wise. Because the more them carry out these pretty clothes, remember to walk with the Lord said we don't make them trick on. Yes, me dear. Don't let them trick on. Remember the devil come to steal, and to kill and to destroy and to play a trick for you. So now, you see how them come up with all them pretty story for end down. I going to catch me. The world, the flesh, and the devil. And these are things where the devil where them set up for catch me. Yes, me dear. All them pretty clothes and them pretty boat. For make one don't want go serve the Lord. So no go serve the Lord and walk same way a little bit at a time. Sweet Jesus, God tomorrow. Because I want to think of peace and safety and sudden destruction. Yes, right back to the sender, honey. So I tell you now. No matter how we cuss and go on, run to the Lord. Because nothing now get better. When you think it get better, it get worse. Every day people are fight against you. Every day you're bad mind and grudgeful out there against you. Every day somebody a plot for you. Everybody just want to survive in this world and you finna survive. As you can see, you must fight against me get pan this blania. Yes, me dear, can you imagine if me have money? Everybody. So you know, make sure say, you don't make these clothes and boot. And then we get them possessed. That's why me try my best for not indulge in them too much. Me wear my natural hair as much as possible. Whether me head one big, small, round or thin or a little bit. Whether me want to have care say, not. Me, I'm going to wear my little natural hair. Because them the hair there is possession here. Yes, me dear. So you can't stand there. That's why when me get them by my head, I pray them out. Yes, me dear. Pray them behind right out, honey. Yes, wear your hair as much as possible. Cut it off. Cut off on the ear. Look how my ear look nice. Cut off on the ear cheaper. This ain't cost no much money. I mean do it myself. And it come up pretty good. Yes, me dear. I color it 2 times. The first day I color it, did see a little bit more reddish color on top. Then 3 days after, I go back and dye it and color it again. I don't put no dye in there. This is just bleaching alone. And me see there, it come out perfect. There is not one spot left in there. I make sure so me cover it. I do the